one of the main aspects of what we do is really controlling the whole supply chain. I think we're the only company today that has that end-to-end control. We work with China, of course, because right now that's the only place these products can be manufactured. And we literally go to a contract manufacturer and tell him, I want this product, and you're going to work with this list of 13 raw material suppliers that we have selected and that we audit every 6 months to make sure the product quality is consistent and the materials that we use are consistent. Not only that, but we also look at the materials themselves and have 30 to 60 pages of reports on like Title 21 CFR, Title 21 CPG, GRAS reports on every single one of the materials that we use that really helps our clients with compliance, that helps them in doing failure mode analysis on any kind of products that they're using inside of our hardware. And finally, really the third big aspect of what we do is that consultative approach and that consultative sale. We don't have products on the shelf that people can just say, I want 1,000 of these on. We actually tailor our products to our clients' needs, not only through customizations, but also through functionality. And I think that really makes up the core of what Blink is. We manufacture vaping hardware that is tailored to our clients' needs, whether they're MSOs, LPs, producer processors, or brands.